Can you hear me, guys? Vijay Kumar, can you hear me? Okay. Okay, okay, great. Not issue.
Yes, sir.
Antima Revapati, please ask doubt, whatever doubt you have. Yeah,
Sir, may
sure.
I share my screen?
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
is it visible?
Yeah, it's visible now.
Sir, I have to minimize this distance between the background image of lemon and the border. So how can I do this?
Okay, you want to like the 11 image will be in that below of that, right?
Uh, like that, sir. Just a minute, sir.
Okay.
Like this. I want.
Which
Means
one?
like this.
This one, like in the left side one, like lemon is there.
Lemon, left hand side lemon.
Okay, left side. Yeah. Okay.
This one. So how can I do?
So at first you crop that image. Okay. Then you have to apply because
Sir, but this is JPG image.
JPG image, right?
Yes, sir.
So use any this is JPG image, so you can like crop the image, na? It's not a PNG image, na? Have you understand my?
Sir, just a minute. This is PNG image.
Open that and right click on that and inspect.
Okay. Now,
Now wait. In that we have open that deep class details inside.
uh, details inside.
Class is there, na? Details inside. Yeah. Inside that we are like you have to give all this like image, whatever image you are written inside that it will be so inside the details
No, no,
inside.
sir. ये जो बाहर वाला ड्यू है ना, ये डिटेल सेक्शन.
हाँ, डिटेल सेक्शन का
हाँ.
अंदर में आपका जो कि ओडिव होगा, जो कि जो भी आप इमेज वगैरह दिए होंगे वो शो करेगा। तो आपने कोई जैसे कि जेपीजी फॉर्मेट का इमेज दिए है और पीएनजी फॉर्मेट का इमेज दिया, शो करेगा। इसलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ आपको, ओपन कीजिए, उसको क्लिक कीजिए।
उसमें कुछ भी नहीं है सर. इसकी कोडिंग ये रही. लाइक ये जो पूरा सेक्शन है ना, जस्ट अ मिनट सर. ये जो पूरा यहाँ से ये सेक्शन है ना, 2 रेड बॉर्डर्स, इसकी कोडिंग बस इतनी सी है. ये तो जो बाहर वाला डिव है डिटेल सेक्शन, इसमें मैंने बैकग्राउंड इमेज लगाई है, एक लेमन वाली और एक फ्रूट बास्केट वाली. अब मैं चाहती हूँ कि ये जो लेमन वाला है ये रेड बॉर्डर के पास में आ जाए. मीन्स जो पैडिंग है वो 0 हो जाए, बट मार्जिन 0 और पैडिंग 0 करने के बाद भी वो नहीं हो रहा है.
ओके, तो आपने चाहते हैं कि ये जो इमेज है लेमन का, उसको थोड़ा ऊपर लेने के लिए, राइट?
हाँ हाँ एग्जैक्टली. ये जो रेड बॉर्डर है ना यहाँ तक, मीन्स पैडिंग पूरी 0 होनी चाहिए.
ओके, मार्जिन टॉप यूज किया आपने?
नहीं सर, हो ही नहीं रहा है, बट फिर भी एक बार कर लेती हूँ. ये जो बिगर डिव है इसमें ही मार्जिन टॉप यूज करना है या इनसाइड वाले डिव में?
नहीं नहीं, उसमें नहीं है। आपको डायरेक्ट इमेज में जाना है, इमेज के अंदर क्लास देना है। ओके, इस क्लास और आईडी जो भी
बैकग्राउंड इमेज है सर.
हाँ, बैकग्राउंड इमेज को दो।
बैकग्राउंड इमेज को कैसे दूं सर, मैं समझी नहीं, आप एक बार बता दीजिए.
इमेज कौन सा दिया आप निकालो।
जस्ट अ मिनट सर.
मुझे वहां नहीं शो करना है को मुझे एचटीएमएल में शो करो
ओके ओके
कौन सा
ओके
इमेज
ओके.
दो।
जस्ट अ मिनट सर.
आपने तो सीएसएस वाला पार्ट निकाला अभी। मुझे तो
सीएसएस वाले में ही इमेज है सर वो.
ओके ओके, सीएसएस में दिए आपने।
जस्ट अ मिनट सर.
पीएनजी वाला इमेज आपने यूज किया, राइट?
यस सर.
ओके, आप
This one.
जेपीजी बोल रहे थे ना मुझे।
सॉरी सर.
ओके, आपको इसको क्रॉप करना है, राइट? जैसे कि आप चाहते हैं कि ओनली ये पार्ट को आप जैसे कि फ्रंट एंड पार्ट जो होता है ना, फ्रंट पार्ट जैसे कि
हम्म।
कटा हुआ पार्ट हुआ था,
हम्म।
उसको आपको रखना है यहाँ पे जैसे कि वेबसाइट में, राइट?
हाँ, सो
ओके,
क्रॉप करना पड़ेगा।
हाँ, क्रॉप करना
बट
पड़ेगा,
सर ये
लाइक।
तो ऑलरेडी पीएनजी है ना, फिर भी क्रॉप करना पड़ेगा।
हाँ, क्रॉप करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि अगर आप हाइट फिट से अगर देते हो भी, तो
हम्म।
डायरेक्ट वो जो पिक्चर होता है उसका हाइट और विड्थ चला जाएगा, इसलिए हमको क्रॉप
ओके
करना
सर,
पड़ेगा। ओके,
गॉट
तो
इट।
एक काम करो, आप पीएनजी को जेपीजी में कन्वर्ट कर लो एक बार। हमारा
हम्म।
वेबसाइट आप जाओ, पीएनजी टू जेपीजी कन्वर्टर होता है वेबसाइट में। उसमें
हम्म।
जाके आपने सिलेक्ट करो जो भी पिक्चर है, आप कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा इसमें। इसके बाद जेपीजी में कन्वर्ट होने के बाद आप उसको क्रॉप करो और अप्लाई करो। ओके,
ओके सर,
अगर आप
थैंक
चाहते
यू।
हो जैसे कि पीएनजी फॉर्मेट में, अगर जेपीजी फॉर्मेट को फिर से पीएनजी फॉर्मेट में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए, तो आप
हम्म।
कर सकते हो, कन्वर्ट कर
ओके
सकते हो।
सर, थैंक यू।
थैंक यू सो मच। Anyone have any doubt like regarding your assignment or like regarding classes? Okay, okay, no sir. Have you done that like yesterday assignment or? Okay, great. So today we are discussing like what are the image format is that like Antima Revapati has already told you that what is the like PNG or like JPG format is there. So what are the like image format are there? So how can I like we are applying on that? And you know that if you want like convert any file to the another file, it's like Excel file, the doc file to PDF file or PDF file to doc file or any other file. If you want to change that one, you can change by using any of the like third party website. You can go through that and you have to choose the file, and after that you can convert that one. Okay, and one thing is that if you want like convert any JPG file to PNG file also is there. We have many like file format in the like image. So I will told you what are the file format is there, and we are using mostly in the JPG and PNG like all these thing format, and we have SVG also there in that CS or HTML in that. So if you're designing any SVG format by using CSS, we can apply on that on our website also. We have like a like website is there for SVG file format. Okay, website is there. If you want like any picture from that, you want to copy all the code and you have to paste inside the your like HTML, then the picture will be show in your like web page or website. Okay, let's see. So one thing is that before that, I already told you that how can I like insert a image by using image like tag. Okay, inside that we have source file and like title is there. Title means alternative text is there. Alt. Okay, alt is the defining for if your image is not like path is not different from like virtual class is wrong, then that like particular like content will be so in that time. Okay, so it's like image. So what are the like file format are there, and what how we are using that file format, we have to discuss that one, and what is the file extension is there. Okay, I will discuss it. Before that, I will share my screen at first. I hope you see my screen as well. Please let me the chat box if you see my screen. Okay, great. Next, we have to discuss what is the abbreviation file format is there, and like it's the MIME type, which type of like image file format we are using in that, and what is the file extension we are using in that format. We have to discuss. Okay, so I will like what is the file format are there in our like HTML. I will told you all these things. Then I will return inside that page. Okay, so we have BMP, it's bitmap file. We have GIF, graphic interchange format. Okay, you have JPEG. JPEG file format is there. It's joint photographic export. Okay, and PNG file format is there. It's portable network graphics, and SVG file format is there. It's color vector graphics. Okay, and we have like TIFF double F file format is there. It's like tag image file format. We have WebP is like file format is there. It's like web picture format. Okay, so let's see. I will written inside that, so you have to understand better, because if I told all these things, it's difficult to remember all these things. That's why I will written in that notepad. Then I will show you. Okay. So first one is like abbreviation. Is one is like BMP. In that we have what is the full form of that? It's like bitmap file. Okay. So what are the extension of that? I will written inside after that bitmap. What is the extension we are using for BMP? Okay, these are the extension we are in. First one is the like abbreviation name and like file format. What are the file format we are using? What are the name of that particular abbreviation? Then we have to discuss like we are returning file extension. Okay. So next we have to discuss GIF. GIF means graphic interchange format. Graphics interchange format. Okay. Then what are the like extension we are using for that? It's like GIF. If you save any file, so after that file name you have to give dot and extension name. Like if you designing a PPT or like designing a doc file, you have to like doc PPT or whatever you have to design according to that. So these are the file format using in image format. Okay. So next one is JPEG. What is that? It's joint photography. Photographic expert. Expert. Okay. What are the extension of that? We have .jpg, .jpeg, and .jfif. We have 3 extension. If you want to like save in JPG format, you can. If you want to like save in the extension is JPEG, you can do that also. It's it's referred to the JPEG format. It's joint picture photographic export group. Okay. So JPEG, and next one we have JPEG, and next one we have .jfif. Okay, these are the file format, image file format. Next one we have PNG, the like portable network graphics. Okay, done. Extension of that is PNG. Okay, done. Next we have to discuss SVG. I already told you SVG file format, but what is the extension of we are discussing? And SVG its form as Scalar, SCALAR, vector graphics, graphics, graphics. Okay, done. And what are the like extension file is .svg. Okay, done. Next we have TIFF. Just tagged tagged image file format. Okay, done. What are the like its extension is that TIFF, and next one we have TIF. 2 extensions is there of TIFF. Okay, and we have like web P. It's like web picture 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 format. Okay, What are the extension of that? It's WEVP. Okay. So we have BMP, bitmap file, and graphic interchange format, and JPEG joint photography export group, and like PNG is like portable network graphics, and SVG is color vector graphics, and TIFF tagged image file format, and WebP it's web picture format. Okay, so these are the like image file format is there. More than that also there, but we are using these many. That's why I've show all these things. But basically, mostly we are using JPG, PNG, SVG, and WebP. GIF means you know that it's like something. If you using WhatsApp, in that we have GIF file format is there. Means it's not like pixel are not more than like not clear, mean picture all these things not clear, but as compared to the as PNG and JPG file, PNG is a better. JPG, if you zoom that one, the photo will be cracked. Okay, but PNG file format is better. If you zoom that like photography, its pixel is larger. That's why it's not cracked that photo. Okay, so these are the difference between like bit difference between like pixel and like zooming and all these things. Like if you know like if you have like photograph camera, in that we have many lenses are there. So you have click the picture, capture the picture. So in that we are like focusing on that like a particular point, a particular like things. In that we are zooming that one. So if I click a photo, after that I will zoom that one. So it may be if I using JPG file format, it will be little crack. Photo will be cracked when I zoom that one. But if I using PNG format, it not will be like a pixel will be different. Okay. So these are the difference between all these things. Okay. So any doubt regarding like all this what is that file format, then you can ask me any doubt. And like what is the difference between that, it's I will told you that one, but it's like not more. I already told you that how what the difference between PNG and JPG, all these things. But we have many difference from that, like BMP, GIF, JPG, PNG, SVG, TIFF, WebP. All these have different feature. Okay, if I go through the all, it will be taking more time. That's why I'm not going to the little bit in that. Okay, so little deep in that. So if you want to know better inside that, so search in the Google, you got it all this information. And one thing is, what is the difference between, if you remember that one, what is the why we are using this many file format for the particular image? Because the pixel difference is pixel. If I anyone like any of the client will be zoom that picture, it will be not like cracked. That's why we are using this many like file format. Okay, any doubt guys, please ask me. Okay, I hope no doubt. Okay, not an issue in that. So next we are discussing one thing is that if you go any website, in the left side like right side or left side, both inside we have advertisement. Okay, have you observed that like advertisement have a particular size, it's pixel. So what is the like pixel is there? We are using leaderboard. What is that? Let's see. What is the size of that? You have to remember that one, because any of the interview maybe ask you what is the size of that we are using for the like advertisement. Okay, so leaderboard, we are using leaderboard, LEADER, leader, BOARD, leaderboard. This pixel is 728 into 90. Okay, so what is the 728 and 90? If you go to the any website and inspect that, have you observed that it's when I go to the responsive designing and we are opening for the laptop or like mobile or iPad, then you have to observe that one. It's like pixel will be changed according to that. Means width and height will be, height not changing, but width obviously changing in that. If you go to the laptop if you designing for laptop, it's 1024 pixel is that or width. If you're using like a mobile device like MI or like any other Samsung, all these things like 520 or like 7 something is that width. So according to that, we are designing like board like all these things. Okay. So lead board we are using. So 720 is that width and 90 is the height. Okay. Next we have half page. We are using half page. It's like width is 300 and 600. 300 is the what width and height is 600. 600. Okay, done. Next we have medium rectangle and large rectangle. If you need like large like advertisement, then you have to use 330 pixel into 280 height. If you require any medium rectangle, then you have to use 300 and 250. Okay, I've written inside that, so you have to note down in your like notepad or like note. So you have to remember all these things. Maybe it's like difficult to remember. Anyone maybe ask you like if you have any like 5-year experience or 3-year experience, that time maybe ask you in that, because you have many experience like in that web development, then you have to designing more than like 5 website or 3 website, whatever you have in that time. Okay, so in that time maybe anyone ask you. Medium rectangle, it's 300 250. Next we have large rectangle. Large rectangle. It's 3, 6, and we have wait. What happened? What happened? It's 60 and 280. Okay, done. These are the advertisement for like we are using in that website. If you follow the rule of the web development, then you have to understand all these things like where we are required like width, height, all these things. Because if you designing a website, then a client will be go through that and all these things. Maybe like you not follow all this rule like what is the height and width, then it will be difficult to like proceed that project. Okay, that's why. And we have like we are using some attribute in that like image. You have to use alternative. It's alt for like alternative text. So in that type we have many more attribute is there. So what is the attribute we have to discuss? And if you designing any form, we have like maximum width, minimum width, minimum length or maximum length. We have placeholder. All these things are attribute. In that we are defining any of the value. It's the like you know that we are in that JavaScript we are using property and like data, but in that we are using like data or like we have like background color. In that we are given any particular color. These are the data we are using. So what is attribute? Let's see. So we have alt wait, what happened? Yeah, alt, it defines the alternative text to display when image is unable to load. Okay, have you understand? If you given any particular image, so in that it's compulsory to define that alt, because if you not define any of that particular like alternative text, so any of the user or client go through that and see or he will be like see that picture, but see unable to understand what are the picture you are giving in that particular website. So that's why we are giving it's if the picture is unable to load, the internet issue or the server down, whatever issue is there. So that's why you are using alternative. And we have src, it's source file, src. It specifies the name path of image to display. It's virtual path or like physical path. Whatever you want, you have to give in that. But according to the rule, you have to always follow that virtual path, because in the physical path we have many problems. If you designing a project, then in that project you have to using GitHub. So many of the like two or more people are working that project. It's difficult to someone is go through the see that right click on that and see the whole website. Then the picture will be in your laptop, means in your local laptop. So, she or he unable to load that all these images. So that's why we are using virtual path. Okay, and we have width and height. You know all these things. What is width and what is height? This picture height and width we are using for image file format. Okay, picture width and height. Okay, and if you need border in that image, then you have to give border. Okay, and we have title, option, alignment, head space, v space is verticals, horizontal space between the text and image, and vertical space between the text and image. We have many more is there, but it's not we are not using that much. Okay, if you require any picture, any image, you want in that particular position, if you want to it even that. So at the time we are using text alignment, whatever by using it's HTML or CSS, whatever we are using in that format. So at the time we are using alignment. Okay, but space and v space in that HTML is there. But if you require any particular in that between text and image, so by using that has CSS, we can do that. Not an issue in that. But basically in that image we are using this many attribute. It's alternative, source file, and width and height. We have border. Border are not used much in that. Title we are using, it specify the screen to tip the display for the image when mouse is over on that. Title. What is the title? Means if if your mouse go to that particular picture, over on that picture, then your mouse will be pointed to that picture, and you have to give the title is like particular this or like particular nature picture, whatever you have to written inside that data. It's like title. This data will be show in that when you mouse over on that. It's tooltip. We are call it tooltip. And we have many more is there, like when the bootstrap we are using tooltip for that. Like if you go any of the particular content, then it will be showing a tooltip. Means you know that if you any of the particular what is that, it's content you have to define inside that paragraph or like in that navbar. Maybe in that particular content not understand by the client or like customer, whatever who are visiting your website, then you have to give a particular tooltip. Then the customer will read all these things and understand, yeah, that's developer guys is using that particular content for that purpose. Okay, so we are using title for that. Any doubt regarding that, you can ask me.
No, sir.
Okay, great. Another one. Okay, so next we have to discuss like card. How can I designing a card? Okay, using HTML or using I will show you a particular image tooltip and all these things. Then I will discuss with you like form, all these things. Okay, before that I will show you like card. In the card we have upper part is image there, and in the below we have what is the content is there. Okay, profile open. Okay, great. At first I open that Visual Studio, then I will show you. And active link and visited link we are already discussed by using that HTML. So in that CSS, I will show you how can I like give that particular visited link and like active link and link also. Okay. Wait, it's opening now. Many interns are not doing like shopping website still now. So guys, anyone facing any difficulty, please free to ask me, because if you facing any difficulty, please ask me, because we have you have a platform that anything you can ask me in the beginning. But if you have a developer, then if you ask me any in the corporate world, if you asking the TL, they or he or she will be give you answer. Are you are you from a technical background or from like any other background? So it will be question in that like corporate world. Okay, then you have to understand why I'm not asking that the question in that like before in my what is that training session. If I don't know that also, I will research on the B also, and I will told you any of them. I think uh, Antima Revapati is asking me in that, like, how can I give that hosting, free hosting, all this thing? But I don't have any idea. But I'm busy, little busy in that some work. That's why I'm not told you still now. But I told you definitely how can I like Antim Revapati in the personal. I will told you because she needed a to like using that free hosting. That's why if you any doubt regarding that, you can ask me. So if I don't know about that also, I will research on the beetle research in that deep. Then I will tell you whatever I learned from that, because you learn and I have also learned. This is the many things. I'm not a trainer as well. If you like ask me as a friend, it's better also, because if you like anyone maybe in that training fast session, have you observed that one? Like many more interns are asking something like more question about all these things, but still now it's 2 or 3 day, no one asking me anything or no one like answering me anything. Why? Because maybe you are like understand or not understand whatever any issue whatever in that session, then you have to, if I am not there and I am not like answering you all like this question and whatever doubt you have, then Rituraj sir is also there. Rituraj sir is also like develop a live project, all these things, and he is working many more knowledge about the designing. Okay, you can ask the like Rituraj sir also. Not a worry about it. Okay, okay. So we don't spend much time in that. For the name, I will give you image. The card I will card dot html. What is cart means? Have you observed that if you go any like shopping website, it is Amazon or Flipkart, whatever website you have, in that we have like a price in the below, and heading part is like what are the, if you are purchasing shoe and like any dress from that, then we are mentioning that the particular is the dress like gents or like for top, all these things we are mentioning the header part. Then in the middle part we have a particular image. Then in that footer part we have what is that? It's price, like description, a review, all these things is there. Okay. So I will tell you all these things. Wait. Yeah, at first we need. Okay. So in that we need I will open that maximize in the window. Next type designing card. Then I will design a div inside that. Div. Inside the div we need mm, div inside I need header part h2. It's like this. In that this we have designing a particular like body section. It's like uh, image. I will give you image. Okay, image. Wait, I will show you image. We have alt and all these things there. I need a other attribute is title. In the title, I have to like show you. It is paneer kurma or paneer, whatever this is there. Okay, paneer, and we have that particular name is for the dish name. I will open that my local file. Then I have to choose. Wait, it's like G. In that we have C. Yeah, let's see. We have web designing. In that we have a peak. In that peak, yeah, this 10 is there. Okay, paneer. This 10. So we are applying its dotted class. Okay, peak, and we have this 10. In that we need alt option. It's uh this, and in that we need height. Height. It's like 200 pixel, and like height HEIGHT height. It's like 200 pixel also. Okay, and we need like footer also. It will be in that price. All these like things we have to defining in the another div. Okay, wait, another div I will show you on that. Is that we are designing a paragraph. In that paragraph, we need like price. Okay, price. In that we need what is that? It's like 230. Okay, it's price of that paneer kurma whatever. So in that below we need like what button to order now, or like buy sorry, buy not buy now, order now, or place now, place order. All these things, button is there inside that. Button, place order. Okay, edit cart, whatever, add cart, CART cart. Okay, done. Let's I will open in that live server. Let's see. Wait, it's opening now. It's not opening still. Okay, I will try to on that again.
Sir,
Yeah,
so don't we need to take a class called card in the div attribute?
in the div attribute.
Don't we need to take a class called card
Okay, uh,
before dish?
you are asking me like the button na add card, right?
No, sir. Actually, I'm asking where you have written dish H2 tag. Before that, the div tag which is there, don't we need to add a class called card in that div attribute before dish?
Okay,
Yes, sir.
you can return any card all these things. If you using any bootstrap, then you have to return the class. But if you need like designing, I will give you all these things like designing, like using ID or using class. I will show you. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
This is your this is the question now. I will use inside that like a class uh, card, right?
Yes, sir. That's the question. Yes, that's the question, sir. Uh,
Okay. Yeah, I'm using that.
Otherwise,
But
how it
if
will
you,
work? Yes, sir.
yeah, what is your question?
So actually, otherwise, how it will work, I don't understand. Because in order to create a card, we need those CSS properties and all. Like,
Yeah, we are returning
yes.
on that, but before that we are see how it's look, then we have to design in CSS, because
Okay,
still
okay,
now
sir. Got
we
it.
are not along that like I will not teach you CSS, and that's why it's difficult to understand. I'm
Oh,
still
sir,
now not designing
I
anything.
got it. Yes, so you're teaching from the zero level. Got it, sir. Got it, sir.
Yeah, sure.
Yes, yes.
Then we have to like if you require any class inside that div, then you have to return class. If you return ID, it's better also. Okay, it's unique ID, then you have to given that horse card. Inside we need border and 2 pixel, but 1 pixel, whatever you need. 1 pixel solid black. Let's see how it's look. Okay, it's taking whole page, but I need like width and height, all this thing. So I will designing width also. It's 200 pixel or 250, whatever you need. It's 210 pixel, but I need little more. It's like 250. Wait. Yeah, its size is better. And that we need like this will be so in that background color, or like this will be so in that center, all this thing we can do that. So we need image this. Okay, in that we are needing h2 text alignment center. Okay, done. Next we have to designing like we need background color. It's any of the color we need. So, marine. Done, but I need like whole color. You can apply using a div, particular div. You have to inside that return that hash true. Then you have to apply any like return that class name or ID inside the div. Means like if I cut that and I will press div, then I will press the hash true. Then if you need like whole picture, whole like div will be like header part in that particular color, then you have to define all this thing. Classroom class, sorry, class, it's like header. Okay, then you have to use the header. Then it's the background color, it's like blue violet. It's not applying, right? Let's see. Have you observed that it's paneer is like tooltips is coming? Why we are returning in that like title? That's why it's coming. Okay. In that we have it's taken what is the padding, and we have card inside. We have header. Picture will be inside. Okay. Okay. Means deep will be completely depend upon that H2. Okay. This one the content, this one the padding, and all these things. Okay. By using the padding, we can do that. Wait, I will show you that one. Padding, it's 10 pixel, whatever you need. Okay, done. So no need to define any div inside that. I will remove the div because I already apply padding. Margin you can apply according to your requirement, but I don't require that one. Okay. So inside that I have to use style. Inside that inline CSS I will use inside. It's text alignment center, and in that particular like font color, color I need like I will choose a from the color picker. Okay, wait. I will choose from the color picker. It's like, yeah, done. And in that we need like semicolon. Okay, so these are the inline CSS. It's so mean that center, but we need like change the color. It's not. If I give a black also, it's better. I think. Wait, yeah, done. If you require like font size, then you have to use font size, like any of the font size. It's to 2 em. I will, if I written 1.5 em. Let's see how it's look. Okay, and we need like, what is that? It's font family. If you want to change that one, according to that you can change. It's font family. We have cursive and all these things. It's font weight. Weight, it's not required. Font family. We have to. It's like mono space, like wheel sense, all these things. I need cursive. Wait, yeah, it's like another family, another font family. Okay, so I need like all button will be in the center, or like padding and color. I need like button color, all these things. So I will written all that. Wait. I will designing a div inside that. I need button. So in that div, I need like class. It's btn. Btn is my class. In that I need like btn, and I have to written btn. It's background color. Sorry, text alignment center. Okay, done. You need like the button will be in that little upper side, so you use like margin top. It's 10 pixel or whatever you need. Right, yeah, it's little upper, but I need more than that, so I will give the 100 pixel. It's better, I think. Yeah, taking much space, so I need, if I using button tough button like margin bottom. Let's see what happened. Margin bottom, it's like 100 pixel, sorry, 100, not 100, it's 30 pixel. It's done. So in that I need padding like 5 pixel, 10 pixel, whatever you need. Background color, any of the color you have to choose that one. It's the, okay, then color I need for color black. You want to a little like uh, black, so you can apply on that. It will be taking whole part, but I don't need that one, so I will remove all these things, then I will apply in the button part. Wait, I will show you that one. It's button. Button is my tag. In that I read, right, I write like what is I need this background color. In that we require black, and color will be, the text color will be white. White. Let's see. Okay, done. And padding we required, so in that we have to be padding. It's 10 pixel. Okay. This is a card. So you need like more than one card. So you have to designing more than one card in that. Wait, I will show you at first, then you have to understand all these things. We'll copy that. When I paste again, it's not again. Yeah. Again. Okay, done. but it will be in that one by one, but I don't need that one. I need like one row will be. So in that I need like display flex. So before that, whole like card will be in that main card. I will using a deep inside that I will paste all this thing. Before that I need using class, it's main class, main card. Okay, then in that we need, yeah, so in that I need what is that, it's special I think. Then so before that I need the main card, it's main card, it's classes I think. Yeah, we are using class main card, main main card, we need display flex. Have you observed that one? Okay, it's fine. If you need like space, all these things by using margin, you can do that. Okay, like card will be in that margin, right. In that we have to give 15 pixel and 70 pixel, whatever you need. You have to designing all these things. Okay, done. And picture you have to change the price and order, like place order or like add cut, you can change according to color, all these things. Okay, whatever you need, you have to paste all these things, no need to worry about. Okay, so I hope you understand how we are designing card for that shopping website, like a uh, groceries website, or like any of that shopping website. Whatever you need, you have to designing particular restaurant website. If you designing in that particular like template, so in that format you can use. If you require like any of that, you want to change any content, or like after that header part you need like some description, you want to add that one. So in that we are using like paragraph. So in that you have to paste content, whatever content you want to mention in that. Like if you go to the any Swiggy or Zomato, in that we have like a description in that. Like what is the description? Is lal mirchi, mirchi will be in that तीखा तीखा बोलते हैं ना, हिंदी में तीखा बोलते हैं और इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं पता नहीं, ओके छोड़ो. Or oil will be oily, or like all these things you have to mention, whatever like the dish will be in that particularly like oily and all these things. If you want to need that one, so as per your requirement you have to give all these things. Okay, if you require when that any client will be click that particular card, then it will be goes to the another navigation to the another page, then you have to designing another page. In that, if you go to that like Amazon and Flipkart, they will be designing all these things. Spicy, okay, okay, spicy, great, thank you so much. So shopping website, sorry, in the Amazon, Flipkart, if you click any of that mobile or like laptop, they will be at first they will be so more than two picture, and in that you have to zoom all these things. Then we have to what the picture we have, like ram rom, all these things is there. And in the description what are the like quality are there, and that you have to compare like one mobile to another mobile, one laptop to other laptop, like company laptop, it's Dell or HP, whatever you need, you have to compare. So all these things we can designing the front end. How to link the button uh, with other page. Okay, so if you need like button will be in that navigate to the other page. Inside you can use anchor tag. Okay, and we have like other also in the JavaScript, we have to learn how we are in, when you click that button it will be goes to the how other page. You have to uh, learn all these things. Before that, in the HTML, if you require, inside that you have to use like anchor tag. I will show you one thing. Wait, I need like anchor tag inside that, so I will code that for, and inside I need anchor tag. Will press inside that. Okay, done. And I need, wait, what's like whatever your path will be, you have to define it. Idea of that one, it's in that link. When I over that mouse in the button, then that link will be defining that particular hand symbol. Okay, so in that you can mention, and we have a event also there in that JavaScript. It's on click event, on mouse over event, like mouse over event, mouse out over event, mouse move event. All these things are there. When you like click that button, it will be goes to the other page, and it will be there from the task. Whatever you have to designing according to that, we are designing that. Okay, it's a JavaScript, but in the HTML, if you need, like, you can use anchor tag. Okay, I hope you understand. Okay, thank you so much. Yeah, I will share you all this code because I'm little busy in that. So many of that intern asking me to share the code, but it's difficult to share my like all this code. I will share you after 5 minutes. Okay, don't worry. All this code tomorrow, like yesterday and today also. Okay, because someone asking me yesterday also, but I will not share in that classroom. Sorry for that. Today I will share you both of them. Okay. Thank you so much, guys, for your patience and for joining in that meet. Okay, please give your attendance in that, then you can leave. Okay. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye. Tomorrow class will be 4 to 5. All this you have to remember all these things, not 6 to 7. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.